Hello friends, this is Abhinav Bhargav, and in this video we're going to see about MOAB, that is Massive Ordnance Air Blast. So recently United States dropped GBU-43B, also called as MOAB, in eastern Afghanistan. This is the largest non-nuclear bomb ever used in a combat against a series of cases which are used by Islamic State militants. And it was the first time the United States has used this size of a bomb in a conflict, and it was dropped in the Achin district of Nangarhar province, which is close to the border with Pakistan. And this bomb is commonly known as mother of all bombs, which weighs around 21,600 pounds. It is a GPS guided 30 feet missile. And before dropping this bomb, the United States took all the precautions necessary to prevent civilians' casualties and collateral damage. And from exam point of view, we should know 5 quick things. That is, MOAB is a 21,600 pound GPS guided explosive, and it is the first time that US has used MOAB bomb in a combat, and it was developed by Albert Wilmots of the US military and first tested in the year 2003. And after testing, the bomb was manufactured only during the time of Iraq war in the year 2003, but was never used. And Russia is also said to possess a similar bomb. They call it Aviation Thermobaric Bomb of Increased Power, that is ATBIP. And this bomb is considered 4 times more powerful than the MOAB, and they lovingly call it as father of all bombs. And US President Donald Trump, in a positive term, said that the bombing is an evidence of a more muscular US foreign policy since he took office. And not only this, in his election campaign also, Trump told that he will give priority to destroy Islamic State, and this is what he said after dropping bombs. And what about India? India doesn't have any mother and father of all bombs, but it has SPICE. That is Smart, Precise, Impact and Cost-Effective Bomb, simply called it as SPICE bomb. SPICE is the biggest conventional bomb that Indian Air Force has under its command for use. And the SPICE is manufactured by Israel firm, that is Rafael Advanced Defense Systems Limited, and it is a precision guided bomb that can be carried on fighter planes of the Indian Air Force, and it weighs around 2000 pounds. So that is all about MOAB. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.